Well, we are tracking some strong wind gusts here through the afternoon. There is the potential for a few isolated wind gusts to 60 miles per hour, and that is certainly strong enough to do some damage. Best chance of that from Boston down through southeastern Massachusetts, where we have a high wind warning up till 9 o'clock this evening. Outside of that, the wind advisory has now been extended to include parts of Worcester County right on into this evening. These southwesterly winds bringing in the warmer air, so many of us up near 70 degrees this afternoon. The exception down along the South Coast Cape, that wind, of course, coming in off the water, and all this wind out ahead of our next frontal system. It is producing some showers and thunderstorms off to our west today. We'll get in on our first raindrops overnight, and I expect some heavy downpours. Can't rule out some thunderstorms here locally during the day tomorrow.